computers and programming. Hope everyone's doing so well so far. Hope everyone had a good weekend and a good day. It feels like it has been ages. I don't know why, but it just feels like it's been ages since I last streamed. It was a bit of a weird one sitting up this morning. A lot of things have happened over the last, like, couple of days. I fucking hammered out an essay like yesterday that was not as cohesive as an argument as I would have liked, but I'll be honest, I really don't know if I care enough. So we're back. Yeah, I'm also a little tired, admittedly, by my own mistake of staying up and playing a little bit of Minecraft last night as a reward for finishing said essay, and just kind of because I was in the mood for it. Every once in a while, man, I just go like, I get the itch, and at the moment I've been getting like the itch every week or so it's been good to just keep plodding along with the playthrough I have. It's a very old, well, I say very old, it's an older form of my, older version of Minecraft with mods, and it's been nice. Alright, so, when we left off last time, we were doing this rework here. We were going through the weapons and changing them according to a new structure style to best work. So I think we were almost done with this, weren't we? Okay, so this doesn't need anything. Sorry, my brain's kind of just going through. So yeah, this won't need any step event because it will have its own destroy event. Oh no, that's still the same. So then I need external to this, I need to destroy. No, that's because it is in there. Yeah, so I need to, so this can be duration. Which will probably fix that at some point. Yeah, we'll leave it for now. God, this specific song in the playlist just reminds me so much of Halo Reach. I stand by that. God, that was a good era. Good time playing games. Oh no, this does need to be the 0.9 because it's the thing, yeah. And then yeah, so its step function will just basically be this stuff. So I'm gonna have to make a step function. What are you doing, step function? So it would be... Fuck, what would it be? Image index. Just gonna have this here for the moment. Don't know if this is how I want to do it. Also, I know that this isn't correct at the moment. It's because I'm kind of just speed writing. Because this will need to be equals that, and it will need to also have not destroy. As a little contingency net. This does mean, yeah, so I have disabled it already in preparation. So I can remove this now, right? Yes, these values aren't getting passed through. That should work. Okay, so this is weapon 2. So let's just quickly switch a character to have weapon 2. So we can do the testing. Got to check for crashes and stuff, so you know. And as far as I can tell, and this is okay, so this is a big weakness. I should not have done part of it and then left it, but I knew why I did it. Oh hey Roger, how's it going? How's your new game going? Your new project? Playing Blatro? Fair enough. I'll say it's a fucking banger of a game. Ah. I need to set it as a stagnant, don't I? Between this. Got sidetracked making a bunch of custom fancy control nodes for fancy layouts of animated movement. Ooh, those are nice. Just used Judgment turn 1 and got Oops all 6. Guess I'm going luck this time. Hell yeah. I actually had a friend of mine now ask me if I can soft teach him programming. Due to him kind of wanting to actually do some. That's not right. Okay. Of the dot owner. Shit. Alright. Anything interesting or a build maker is worth saving for later optimizing, you know? Fuck. Okay, so now I need to... Where is it? Weapon components. Here. Step. This is incorrect. No, it needs to be false on stagnant then. Yeah. Wait. I think I just didn't set it up correct. Because not stagnant should mean that its XY should be affected by the thing correctly. Wait, now I'm confused. Why is it getting... Where is it getting this positive movement from? Oh, you fucking know what it is. Bet it's this. Because I think I have it so if they've got no speed, they have a speed of 1. So I need to actually set it to a speed of 0. Yep. Now the guise is not working correctly. It's not clearing itself off. Don't know why. If I do that, it probably will. Is this something I need to actually accommodate for? I'm slowly developing further my, like, conditions that I need to have set up for every weapon. Which was kind of, again, the point. It was always going to be the case. It's a progressive development. That's why it's a big overhaul. Because it's going to be a fucking long time coming. Especially in the amount of time I actually have to work on these projects. Oh no, that's right. Because I used to have a unique spin thing for it. Okay. Shit. Oh, hey, yep. Now I need to think of a good way of doing differentiation of it. I guess I could just change the name. No, I can't change the name. Fuck. Am I gone? I'm gone, alright. I'm losing my mind progressively, but it is what it is. What is a way of setting the conditional for this? Because It'd probably just be better to make one step. Would it be better to just make one step function and then have it check which one it's working with, or would it be better to sort it out? Am I there? Yes, I am. Fuck, what? Based on the... I guess I could just make a simple, unique condition thing here. I mean, I could check the pull push. Right? How am I doing? Mentioned. So if pull is true, it's the first object. Wait, where did that also... Oh, fuck. I must have over selected. Okay, so what is the way I currently have it done? It's this one. There's an argument to be made. What I'm seeing right now is the mistake of not the mistake of not doing a very clear thing, which is having it so the image is the thing to spin. Please respond. I have multiple times. Okay, if you're gonna be like this, then I'm just going to... Look, you're clearly pandering for attention. So I can ask you to leave, please. Where is the... Fucking hate this, I can't set up the mod view easily. Yeah, no, I've had enough of people coming in and going, hey, can I do that and this for you? I'm not interested. So, goodbye. Please do not waste my time. Why are people like that, man? I work for streamers, I do this and that. Cool. Go advertise somewhere else. I am beyond not interested. I'm not here for that bullshit. I'm here to stream. All right. It's always Twitch too, man. And it's always like our name and then just numbers afterwards too. Like it's normal fucking names. Please, people. Don't waste my time. Right. This should resolve it. Again, this is an argument of... This isn't correctly the correct way to do this, but it is the way I've done it in the past, and it is the way I'm going to continue doing it for now. Oh, hey, Yasin. So this should mean that we get the rotating back. It has not. Oh, that's because I haven't undone this. I commented it out earlier. I forgot. So now we should have it. Fucking hell. The progressive annoyance of this stuff. Okay, so now it spawns and it's spinning, and then it splash and the splash disappears. I need to make it so the splash spawns above though. Weapon underlayer doesn't it? Ooh. Oh yes, because it's going to be doing it in the wrong places. This also should be weapon overlayer, right? I should have a better system for this. But let's just make a quick error check here. For this time source. There we go. So that will just go, because that issue there was we switched rooms and the layers weren't there. So now... Okay, so give this a little bit longer then. To destroy itself. I technically should be pushing this as well. What is the function for that again? It's just array push. No, it would be pause is the fastest way of finding it, right? That one, and then self dot destroy self. There we go. Reference itself to get it done correctly. Actually no, it's create pillar that I need here, and then it's the same thing here. And this will be destroy self. Okay. I maybe should make a function for just doing this, because this is probably going to get done a lot. Maybe. I don't know, can I? I mean, if it's in a situation where I can make all of it at once, then yeah, I could. Technically, yeah, I could do that. We'll make a function for that at a later date. Whereas, like, I just need to pass in the time and the function and any args if necessary. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, so that should be, it needs more work, but this should be a fully functioning, version of gushing now done. Which is really cool. Okay. And trigger is fine. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right. Now on to the next one. Progressively getting there. So Anonymous Feather is going to be a nightmare to do. Sorry, I'm looking at my cat quickly. Okay, there we go. Ooh, bit of a cough. So, nuclear skill constructor. Specifically number 1. There we go. Right. Then from here we do all of the good old copying and pasting over of the data that we need. Sprite array. Non-feather icon. SP. Wait, what? Thought I. Come on, Game Maker. You good there? Alright. SP and non. Ooh. Okay, that time I accept my fault there. Don't really have any objects that I need to put through. Grab the description from here. Trigger is normal. Value array. Okay, here we go. So its damage is always, well, no, let's just yoink this one. Because I'm going to need this one being a special one. Okay, so damage is fine. Area, so it's 0.375 to begin with. Speed is flight speed, which is 8. Whoops. Except I put the number, deleted the wrong thing. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Mount is 4 and cooldown is 3. Then a level up is get the level up array function. And we go from here. So first one is 2 damage. Wow, that's a pretty big upgrade to begin with. Next is the amount increases. That is value 3. And it increases by how much? 2. And then a value 4, which is speed. Oh, that's also on that level. Okay. Except speed is no longer value 4, it is value 2. Then after that is 2 more damage. Seems like a very lackluster level up. Might need to do something about that. Next is area, so that's value 1. It's a very lackluster upgrade again. Value 3, which is amount again. Whoops. That increases by 2. And then after that is a damage upgrade and a flight speed upgrade, and then the return effect. Damage upgrade, flight speed upgrade, and then the return. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's this one. Boom. Stagnant is false. And then remove type. It is nothing to begin with, but then it gets switched to player. Hit type is what do I have for the current hit type of the feathers? It's just default? What is default again? Create. Once. That makes sense. We'll keep it as hit type once. And then crit point, I'm assuming would be on trigger as the default. So yeah, it's just going to be on trigger as well. I don't see why you'd not have it on trigger still. step event is gonna be a nightmare. I can't wait. Because this is one of those ones where it does require a lot of function setting in the fucking whatchamacallit. Alright, Oops. Okay. Man, I wish, like, Twitch wasn't just people advertising shit, though. They come in, they leave a follow, and then they just go, hey, can I advertise my shit, basically? And it's like, no, and then they leave. Well, this time I timed them out, because they were just not listening to me. But yeah, no, it's... Again... I hope that that's not, like, actually people falling for that is why they keep doing it. Because that would be very upsetting. Like, I'm gonna be real with you, Chief. If you think that's the correct way to advertise shit, then, you, clearly, you gotta do better. Just saying. I already see a micro optimization I just want to quickly make. Because I can do this now. God, there is so much that needs to be changed here, huh? Alright, first things this. Damage is 0. Area is 1. Cooldown is 2. Amount is 3. Flight speed is... No, I'm reading from the wrong spot. Speed is 2. Cooldown is 4. And then the rest should be the same. And object is no longer that. Well, it is, but it's different now. We'll handle that properly in a sec. So, this is something I find fascinating. I have it that it does this. Alright. Want to see something that's just like incredibly, why would I have not done this before? Why would you look at that? I've just immediately gotten rid of that if statement. And it does the exact same thing. Incredible. So we need to yoink the normal stuff. The collision for this the collision shape doesn't matter too much for this one because it's just so small to begin with. That I don't think there's much I can do. I need to remember as well, damage is no longer calculated like this. It is pass the damage through and the calculation happens at the other end. Because it's just more efficient. Because it means that, that was one of the changes we did recently, in last week I should say, which, means that if the damage gets increased by like a buff or something like that, so temporary sort of effects, it means that it's more constantly actually getting put through and amplified correctly, which was the mistake I was doing before. Okay. So this is going to require another function. We know that it's going to require a step function. It was actually one of the original ones why I had to plan for a step function, is because first of all, will I remember? Just do this quickly. That feels nice. A non-feather. Because if we go into here, this is the nightmare that is this fucking shite. I don't think I need to do this anymore because it's going to do that naturally. Okay, oh my god, this is actually just nightmarish to try and understand. So I think instead of destroy, equals true, it is this value we need to remove type, which I have not been changing so far. Okay, and then remove type dot player collide. I wonder how much of this is just going to work off the bat. Oh, game maker. There we go. So this is, I need to remember to put the thing in. Weapon 3. Oops. I mean, it's not exactly a hidden thing of whose this is, whose weapon this is, but leave it alone for now. There's nothing to gain from that. I only copied it, I didn't delete. Okay, well, I'll delete that. This is a long process of reworking, I have to say. But it is a necessary overhaul. So let's go back to our lovely Iron Mouse and switch her weapon to weapon 3. So she has Anonymous Feather now as her weapon. And then we see how it functions currently. Mm-hmm. Okay. We had a lot of unique variables that we're missing out on. I'm sure there's a more efficient way to do this, and I might explore that once we get the baseline of the weapon working. Like, this is a great opportunity for me to go through and change a lot of the underlining issues with some of these weapons, and improve them overall. So, gotta give me a little bit of slack with that. Okay, that so far works correctly. See how it looks like a little bit leveled up? So far doing fine. So far doing fine. And not returning. Also, the deletion of them is not changing. Okay. Am I not changing the correct value? Potentially. I'm willing to accept that as a potential mistake. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's getting the correct value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the correct value being augmented. So it should be going from 0 to 1. So it should be false to true. So started is false to begin with. So it should be triggering this. So it looks like straight up flight return is false. Alright, well, let's revert this to the good old if statement then. See if that fixes it. Get a show debug message. Okay, we've got to do a bit of force leveling and hope for some good luck. Cool, got it. It is indeed returning false. Wait, have I got this wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven. I got a level wrong, that's what's going on. Just do that. Lucky cat, got a totem, a lucky cat, and now just flush fire. Yeah, I love the flush builds. The flush builds are fun. Got blueprint and brainstorm plus hag, so a lot of multi-building there. Oof. Okay, this should now work correctly. Yes. So now we're back to an old issue that exists. That's very fascinating, and I don't know a good answer for it. Other than creating a unique scenario. This is the only way I can think of it. This is such a, like, specific scenario. I want to see if this works correctly. The only way... This is one of those, like... I'm hoping that if I do this correctly, it will be fast enough that you'll never understand what I've done. Oh, well, this is actually really bad to hit non-things. Okay. No, they're just vaporizing now. Okay, admittedly, this is kind of funny. But this is not what I wanted. I believe if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to do it even more particular. Actually, I'm gonna double check. Does true operator require it to be 1 or just not 0? It's not 0. Okay, this is such a weird way of doing this. This will still work exactly the same on every other weapon as it has been currently, but it means in this one unique case, this should hopefully work the way I want it to. It's one unique case. So, an honest feather, honest feather, an honest feather, honest feather, honest feather. There we go. Can people understand what's happening and why it's unique now? The return is no longer getting influenced by movement. So that was the entire endeavor there, was to disable the global impact when it's on its return. Which means that because the player is actually not moving, it is everything else that is being told to move by this, the global movement system. So like the stagnant here, for example, is this global movement system. Everything's getting affected by that. What I've told it is to equal 2, so it's not going to follow the player on a stagnant thing. Nor is it going to follow the movement. So it means that both it and the player are removed from all of those rules, and it guarantees those feathers will come back to the player 100% of the time. There should be no room for error for that. It's such a weird way of doing it. But like I said, it should be fast enough that you as the player would never know this without it being explained to you. Is the idea. So again, it's stuff like this that does actually matter quite a bit. Sorry, cat, I saw something that I needed to get off you there. There's a little bit of dirt stuck there behind your ear. And I'll work her up. So there we go. That is anonymous feather, more or less, in a new functionality. Again, could I probably streamline this and bring it to a much better standard? Yes, but also I don't know if I see a reason to, I'm gonna be honest. Right? Like, what is actually the benefit of any micro optimizations more than I've already done, outside of like improving how the values are handled? I don't see any. Like, again, there's cleanup to be done, but again, is that whole the weapon functions exactly how I want it to? Is there any room for changing that? Dude, I love all 6 anime currently watching updated on the same day. Oh god. I mean, I'm still plucking my way through, was it Classroom of the Elite at the moment? I'm near the end of the 2nd season. I got mixed feelings of that anime. It's... yeah, mixed feelings. Is probably the most accurate way of just leaving it at that. Is that, yeah, I'm trying to think. Because like I'm also reading manga a bit more at the moment, so I'm spending a little less time watching stuff. And yeah, I need to find like something proper to read though after I finish the one I'm reading at the moment, because as much as I love trashy manga and I do like longer series so I can just keep reading it for ages, this one is just so not good that it's fun, but like, yeah, I can't do another not good series right after it. I will need to read something better. An odd capacity to do too much of this thing, yeah. I'm trying to think. I should probably look through some manga suggestions I've been given and go for that. Reading 5 manga active and like 45 when the update, jeez. Sleep was optional. Yeah, sounds it. Here I am going, like the only reason I didn't read last night is because I wanted to play Minecraft, I'm gonna be honest. I would have read last night if because like I just went for my walk, my normal like daily walk, and just fucking yeah, I was like, you know what I feel like playing with my toes between the sand? Fucking Minecraft. Modded Minecraft. Love it. Goop's gonna be a bitch, isn't it? Because there's actually a lot wrong with this weapon. you know what? I've been seeing a lot of people playing and stuff at the moment, and it has actually tempted me because I've never played any of the games, is the Fallout franchise. Because obviously the series came out, right? And now everyone's like kind of jumping on the bandwagon of, oh, well, I can play that as well. I'm probably not going to play it on stream, realistically, unless I play one of the like older ones. But I just, yeah, that's something that I'm like, I've never actually played any Fallout game. I'm thinking I might need to rectify that. What Fallout game should I play? Because I know it's New Vegas and Fallout 3 are the two that I know get recommended the most. I do wonder. If anyone's got good suggestions on which one to play first, then please let me know, because again, wouldn't mind having a look at the franchise. Because I know Fallout 4 is one of those ones where I know everyone says it's bad, but also the point is that it's only really bad when people are telling you it's a bad game. Right? Like it's kind of like the whole, we have to say it's bad so people think it, like, because it wasn't as good as what we wanted, but it's a perfectly adequate game, especially if you haven't played any of the other Fallout games, so maybe I should play a Fallout 4. Especially with some of the mods I've heard are pretty fun. Duration is increased, so that will be... And then damage increase again. And then amount increase. And then duration increase again. Oops. As well as damage. And then amount increase by another 2. This is a very disappointing weapon to level. I need to do something about some of these, like, leveling up for them. Because, like, this is very disappointing of a level up cycle for this weapon. It is not stagnant. Remove type is duration. Hit type is... Did I ever decide to do it with per tick still or per... Hit type is per second, crit point is per target. There we go. God, there's so... This is one of those things that there's so many weapons to go through. And the thing is, again, what needs to also be acknowledged with this rework is it's not just weapons getting affected, it's also abilities, it's also EXs, it will be assists, it will be item, like everything's getting affected, as well as, and this is the biggest thing that needs to acknowledge as well, stuff like abilities were never reworked to the previous system. Some items are still not reworked to the old system as well, or the previous system. So it is building some of these from the original state up. It is a lot of work that needs to be done to bring them into the more modern state. So it's going to take a while. Going to take a long while. Yeah. Oh, bloody hell. God, I'm not fully looking forward to what I need to get done today. Got a little bit of cleaning I want to get done. I want to go grab some bread from the supermarket, and I want to get like real good chunked done on my 3D graphics assignment. Which is always fun. Hey, I knew that was coming soon. Shit. Okay. So first things first, I need to also change these in accordance with the new stuff. So this is all useless crap now. So amount is value 3, damage is that, duration is value 5, cooldown is value 4, that's correct. That is value 1. And value 2 is ticks. That should be all the values there correctly. I should honestly just half the amount of Junie's particles and then just do the ×2 to the whole lot. It's probably the smarter bit. Does it really? No, it will be better. I swear to God, Doctor, I wish you buried your shit. He leaves some real fucking stinkers and he just does not clean up after himself. It is fucking horrendous. Okay, so Anonymous Feather is done. So we're doing Goop at the moment. I think Goop did have some step event related things. It was literally just that. Yeah. Coop works exactly as it has been now, all of a sudden. Because, yeah, it's the random aspect of this that I want to change up. Don't know how much of that I can work on for now. It would be somewhat similar maths as some of the stuff in here, right? So it'd be this equation here. So it would be the value I want to pull it out of. So we go here. Instead of random range. Instead of the side selector, actually, what we'll do... Let's start writing out something. Then it would be, I want it probably as a range of 70. So then it needs to be plus 10. And then it would be 190 and same equation. Except the I is minus divided by 2. See how this looks in game. Did I? When did I give Junie that weapon? I don't know when I gave her that weapon. Okay, that's a bit weird. Ooh, not quite right. But it's exactly what I want. Okay, so we need to tweak the angle a little bit. But it seems like this is exactly it. We just need to change the base impact number. If this goes more up and down, then that tells me I need to just basically add 90 to the 10. So it'll be 100 and then 280 for the equation. It was looking like it was more towards the... Did it not change? Didn't look like it changed notably. Okay, well, let's try doing that. 100 plus... And then this was... 190, so it'd be there. Just be this. Now it's opposite, so it's somewhere in between. Let's try this. This is the fun part about working with circles, everybody. Gotta get used to... This is actually one of the worst parts of working with circles or rotation-based things, is it is a bit of a, like, finicky numbers game. You do need to muck around with it a bit more than normal. Okay. That looks right. Nearly. Okay. Again, I'm just doing some minor tweaks to see if I can get the perfect thing of what I want. Get the perfect value. Okay. I feel like it's lasting longer than it's supposed to. Yeah, it's not deleting correctly. So I want to give this a little bit more gravity too. Just a tiny, tiny bit. Because the weapon's going to be more consistent now, so I want to give it a little bit of weakness. Which was always the idea, is it's supposed to go kind of like out and then spread. Like moth feather things. So I might need to up the gravity some more. Yeah, it's not getting removed. Yeah, see, it's heading down there. That's not acceptable. Okay. Let's try it not at 0, in case something's been weird about that. No. It's not doing this at all. Why? Oh, for God's sakes, I'm fucking stupid. You know, one day I'll remember that this is part of a rework, and that means that there's a lot of stuff that needs to go through as well. For example, the values, so I can actually tell it to fucking kill the end. Alright, now we'll delete itself. I hate myself. I really do sometimes. Now it's not hitting them at all. Hello? Is that why? Seems odd if that was. No, it makes sense, because I haven't probably set a thing for it. Yep, there we go. Okay. Yeah, this is the weakness of Juniper, and it is designed to be her weakness. And she can kill crowds of enemies, but she can't kind of clear them properly. And then she gets behind. Yeah, this is the weakness. Might need to do something about it though. Seems a little much. Yeah, that's broken because of the new systems. That's to help clear out a bit. The leveling bar doesn't seem to want to fill up sometimes. I need to look into that maybe. All right. Okay. Oh. Well, we got that working. And we fixed it up to do a bit more of what we wanted it to. So I'm gonna also do a minor tweak. This can last a little bit longer. Yeah. And then this can have even more gravity. So we'll see what this looks like and then we'll call it there, shall we? Oh, all right. It's some pretty big overhauls we've done so far. That's 3 weapons now finished up today. And not like small-ish changes either to them. Okay, this weapon has become way stronger by just the duration of its existence alone. Yeah, no, I'm actually pretty chuffed with the weapon changes so far. See, I think I could, if I wanted to, like, nerf this weapon in a smart way, it would be to buff out a few more things, but nerf the cooldown. Because I think with this area coverage that it currently has, the character's really strong, but still lacking. But because of it, its coverage is just in general better, so it kind of indicates to me that maybe the player should be given more room for skill expression. By removing the cooldown, or like lowering the, increasing the cooldown, but increasing its power. I think those are the only changes I would make to this weapon at this stage. And yes, I did say to nerf it, I would buff it, but like that's genuinely the case, right? Is the weapon feels just okay, but it doesn't feel quite right. So cool though. Awesome. So we'll call it there for today. That was a pretty solid session. Got a lot done. Ooh. God, I hate my chair. The pin fucking came out again. There we go. So I leaned back and had the fear of God put into me. Alright. Again, just as a reminder, yes, today is only 2 hours. 2 hours is what you get on these days, because I have uni to do. I actually have a cool session later. One of my workshops, we're going to be having a guest speaker, which is going to be interesting. To be fair, it is for the area of the courses at the moment that I'm not as interested in, because it's not really the field that I feel engaged with. Nothing against the field, because it is 2D 3D graphics programming. It's not my area. My area is this nitty gritty like values game where I can play around with this. Like that's the stuff that I absolutely adore. And would love to work on more. But I also know that I need to know when I can. Ugh. So, with that being the case, though, thank you so much for watching. You have been awesome, stay awesome, and I hope to see you again next time. Until then, bye-bye.